Welcome back to the channel, and today sees our last port day here in Naples. Come along with us and we'll show you how to save money doing Capri on your own. As soon as you exit the port terminal, you'll see the taxi ranks ahead of you. Head to the left of them and you'll see the ferry kiosks. Each kiosk will show you the time and destination. It'll cost you roughly around €25 one way. Our top tip here is once you know what time you're going to disembark the ship, go online and book your outbound and return tickets in one go. Bear in mind it's about 50 minutes to do the crossing. This way you'll save valuable time instead of queuing, but make sure you allow plenty of time to be back for your cruise ship. You don't want to be a pier runner. You now have two options. You can either take the taxi or get tickets for the Funicula, this being the cheapest option. Walk along and at the end of the harbour you'll find the taxi rank. Beyond that you'll find a wide building where you can purchase your tickets for the Funicula. The entrance is here on your left. And now it's time to really let this island show you its beauty. You'll find Capri to be very accessible. Loads of quaint shops selling their local produce. Or relax and sample the local cuisine, watch the world go by, but expect to pay a higher premium than in the port area. Capri is a very environmentally friendly island as everything's moved around on these electric trucks. Time to dig out that gold card as we go back to the top and meander around these designer boutiques.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. See if this get in the box.
Earlier on the cruise we stopped at Odyssey. It seems I really did bag a bargain with them samples. Once you walk to the end of the boutiques, keep on walking and then take your first left and follow this path all the way around. You won't be disappointed. We recommend you take this 10 to 15 minutes leisurely stroll past the high-end hotels. You'll be well rewarded in the end. Now it's time for us to head back down the Funicula to grab a beer and a bite while we wait for the ferry. I think you'll agree, Capri is absolutely stunning, and we look forward to returning again next time to do the Blue Grottos. Somehow the lady standing behind us believes if she runs she'll catch that ferry leaving now.
news was gone.
Just enough time to round off this excellent day with a beer and a bite, as we have about 45 minutes before the ferry's due.
Sorry. They're lager, $12, big.
You want a drink? You want a beer?
Yeah, large lager.
No, 1 liter. Big.
Big.
2. No, 3. One for me.
What is it?
Alcohol,
Obviously.
the limoncello, lemon slice, the fruit.
No.
Get out of here.
Let me have me. Pickle.
Lemon.
Really nice.
We were yet again blessed with an excellent day here in Capri, and now it's time to take that 50-minute ferry ride back to Naples. Leisurely stroll back round the port and back onto the cruise ship. We have about an hour left before we depart. Check out the rest of the vlogs in this series, as this is an excellent itinerary. Out to Rome, followed by a day at sea, Santorini, Kusadasi, Mykonos, day at sea, and Naples. Now it's time to pack as we head back to Rome. You'll find Odyssey has ceased to be an excellent sized cruise ship, with plenty of activities to keep all the family amused. Another great cruise with great service. We look forward to doing Royal again. Now it's back to the room, time to pack. We always carry our cases off ourselves. And then back to the dining room to round off our review of the week with our new friends, and hope you had an excellent time in Amalfi on the second part of your honeymoon.
No, the effects and everything were really good.
Yeah.
That's what the show's about, was the effects.
Yeah.
You know, the
Best show is the showgirls one. Did you see
Oh,
that?
it was. I would actually agree. I think it was my favorite one all week. Yeah.
Really good. Yeah.
You didn't like the comedian?
We didn't get the comedian there. We didn't see the
Oh, you were the lucky one. You didn't miss nothing. You were the lucky one. Good game ball that was,
He's power giggling.
Well, we like the child.
Yeah, you like the child.
When all the little kids were laughing
Me
in
and
the
Mark.
audience, we were laughing as
Me
well.
and Marcus sat on ours and going,
Right.
It was shocking. It was absolutely. We did all right.
yeah, you did.
Yeah, definitely.
Alas, it's time to disembark and get our transfers back to Rome Airport. Thanks for watching. Please consider a like and subscribe. It really does help our channel. And we have many more new adventures coming to you soon.